Hey guys, it's springtime. Look at the little chickie. Isn't he cute? Well, it's April here, so not only springtime, but guess what? That means new promo items from Young Living came out. So let's head to the office and I'm gonna show you what they are and what you can do with them. Hey guys, Jen here with At Home with Jen, and I'm here to let you know what the April promos from Young Living are. So we actually have a bonus 400 PV promo this month, and when you guys hear what it is, you are going to scream and go, give me it all. So this month at the 100 PV ER, and remember ER is the Essential Rewards, so that's the monthly ship program. If you want to find out more about that, just click the link up there and you'll see a whole video about that. But it's a monthly ship program where you get to choose what you want to be shipped to your house each month. And so this month at the 100 PV level, when you're on Essential Rewards, you're going to get an extra $10 in rewards points, which is something kind of new. They haven't done this before. So I guess we will get that on our next or when it processes, we'll get those 10 points in our little bucket of points that we usually get. So it's kind of a little extra bonus there. So you can purchase whatever you want with that. So it's nice. So at the 190 level is Vetiver. So this one is great. This one is great for calming and grounding. It's really good for that. It's really good for diffusing at nights. So a lot of times in the diffuser at night, I will put this little oil and lavender at the same time, and it's really nice, calming and grounding, and you have a really great night's sleep. So try that next time. So, and if you are on Essential Rewards and you do the 190 PV level, you also are going to get Clary Sage. So this is a really, really great oil for women. It's good for guys too, but it has a lot more properties for the women. This is another one that's calming and grounding. This one is nice. It can actually reduce stress. So it's great to diffuse, and again, it kind of grounds you and gets rid of that stress. And it's also great for around that time of the month if you want to put it on your abdomen. It's got a lot of great benefits for that too. So this is a really, really great one. It's definitely a good one to have in your arsenal, so it's awesome. It's free this month. So at the 250 level, you are going to get a Tangerine and you're going to get a Lemon. So both of these are awesome for springtime. They're great to diffuse. Lemon, you just look up lemon. There's like 1,001 different uses for lemon. This one I use a lot in my water. I put a couple drops. It's great for detoxing. It's great for boosting your immune system. Tangerine, a lot of the same properties. It also is a really, really great, again, to put in a diffuser. It's very uplifting. They're great for diffusing when you want to try and spark some creativity. So it's great for that too. So those two awesome ones to have in your arsenal also. So, all right. So next up is Dream Catcher. So this one is great. I a lot of times use this one at night, but you can also use this during the day. It's supposed to be known to, if you diffuse it, kind of helps you focus, kind of helps you grab those dream catcher, see? So it's very calming, it's very soothing. It's great just for awaking your thoughts. But I've actually used this for nighttime too. Sometimes I'll just take one drop and I'll put it at my third eye. And again, it's supposed to help, reach your dreams, help clarify what you want to do. So give it a try. Let me know what you think on that one too. So not only do you get the Dream Catcher at 300 PV, but you also get a pack of lavender bath bombs. So these things are great. They're great for relaxing in the bath. You can use them with the kids because there's no toxins or anything. The lavender is just soothing. It will calm you down. So it also helps you get that nice, great night's sleep. So that is the 300 PV. At 400 PV, I don't have it yet. So I'm really excited because I don't have a bottle to show you, but I will pop one up here or here somewhere. And it's Goldenrod. So Goldenrod has been out of stock for a long time. And when it comes in stock, it only lasts for like a day and it's out of stock again. So every time I've gone to try and get it, it's been out of stock. So I'm very excited to get it this month with the promos and to get it free. How awesome is that? So Goldenrod is kind of like Clary Sage for women. Goldenrod is for men. So it's not just for men, but it benefits men a lot. So it's great for diffusing. It's great for, all right, guys, just look up Goldenrod uses. Just trust me, Google it. I probably can't say it because it's not compliant, but just Google what you can use it for. But Goldenrod, just, look it up. But it's also really great for your skin. You can use this with like mix it in with your face wash, and your skin will get firmer and fresher in no time at all. So those are it, guys. There are so many great oils that are free this month, so I hope you get them. I hope you try them. Let me know, what are you getting this month? What do you put in your ER? I think this month, because of the 400 PV, I'm gonna get my Ninja Red, and that way it's gonna get my PV up, and I'll get all these great freebies too. So make sure you get on the Essential Rewards, because you don't want to miss out on those other 2 bonus oils, plus all the great benefits of getting the getting the points back, so you can get more free stuff later on. So if you like this video, guys, subscribe and like it so that you can find out when I do more of these. I do a lot of essential oils, a lot of DIYs, and just healthy living. So I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.